Hi everyone. If you want a quick and easy way of sharing files between Windows computers over a local network, you should consider this small and simple software called Quick Share for Windows. Although this software is primarily meant for wireless file sharing between Android devices and Windows PCs, it is also quite handy for quick file transfer between Windows PCs. With this software, you don't need to configure any file sharing settings on your PCs. All you need to do is just connecting all the involved PCs to the same local network, and you'll be good for file transfer. Alright, so let me just show you how easy it is to install and use Quick Share for Windows. First, go over to the official download page of Quick Share for Windows to download the setup file. To open this web page, you may either search for Quick Share for Windows or just click the link in this video's description. Once downloaded, run the setup file to install Quick Share. After the installation is completed, on the Quick Share sign-in dialog, click Use without an account. On the next setup dialog, at the very top is your PC's name that will be visible to other Quick Share users on the local network you are connected to. And then below your PC name are the file sharing settings. Since you did not sign in to Quick Share, you can share with anyone on the same local network who has chosen to be visible. And then for the receiving option, select Everyone. You may choose whether to make this mode temporary or permanent. Then go back to the previous page and click Done to finish the setup. Alright, once your Quick Share is configured, sending and receiving files are only a matter of dragging and dropping files onto Quick Share and clicking an Accept button. There's just one important thing to take note though before you do any file transfer. Quick Share does not require Bluetooth for file transfer between Windows PCs. For example, in my case here, this desktop does not have Bluetooth and Quick Share will work just fine. If your PC has Bluetooth and it's turned off, you'll get this warning message. Please ignore it, because it is only required if you're sharing files with Android devices. Alright, now let me just drag and drop these files on a Quick Share. As you can see here, other Quick Share users who have chosen to be visible will appear. Simply click the intended receiver to initiate the file transfer. And then on the destination PC, click Accept to receive the file. It's that simple. Once the transfer is completed, you may click Open to open the file, or go to the Receive Files folder stated in the status message. This Receive Files folder can be changed on the Quick Share settings. Now, if I want to send files from Mercury to Saturn, I will just follow the same steps. Alright, so that's how easy and convenient it is to use Quick Share to share files between Windows PCs over a local network. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.